For anyone working outside, today was a bit of a reprieve from that cold.
And not to the level of sinkholes, but I have a feeling we'll start to see some potholes in the coming days. It was so cold for a while, now everything's kind of getting unfrozen.
After the worst conditions for the pavement, right?
That's for sure. Right now it's still above freezing in most of central and southern Maine, 34 in Bangor, 37 in Portland. We're down to 28 degrees in Rangeley and 29 over in Berlin, New Hampshire. We had a fair amount of sunshine today, especially south of the mountains, but clouds are increasing now, and there's a little strip of some shower activity out over the Great Lakes. That will move in tonight, but it's not going to be a whole lot. So we'll have increasing clouds over these next few hours, and the wind tonight comes in out of the south, so we won't drop the temperatures dramatically. So when these showers come through, they're more likely to be in the form of snow to the north where it's a bit colder, could be a dusting in spots, and to the south, a light rain shower, a few sprinkles at times through the night, but not much total precipitation overnight. By tomorrow morning, a few breaks of sun out there, many of us starting the day tomorrow in the 30s. Clouds will tend to increase through the day, so it's mostly cloudy, but during the daylight hours, there really isn't much out there other than the cloud cover. And it will be a mild day tomorrow. Temperatures get back to 45 for a high in Portland, 42 in Bangor, upper 30s to near 40 across the far north coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow night, there's an area of low pressure that tries to get its act together along this front, but it never really does so. And if anything, the heavier moisture is just to our northwest. So another round of showers overnight tomorrow night into the first half of the day Thursday, and then a dramatic temperature drop following this system as it swells up to our northeast, but after it's already gone by us on Friday. We'll give you a closer look at that here. This time tomorrow night, we're still largely dry, but some showers develop through the night tomorrow night. And again, temperatures aren't that cold tomorrow night, so south of the mountains, these are largely in the form of rain. The best chance for any snow will be with elevation and up near the Canadian border. Thursday, lots of clouds with a few showers around during the morning, but then a cold front will come through Thursday afternoon, and that drops the temperatures in a big way for Friday. So as that system comes through, a coating to maybe an inch or two of snow across the far northwest, mainly near the international border. The rest of us, this is largely in the form of rain. The bigger story will be the temperature drop following this system. We go from the 40s on Thursday to by Friday morning, many of us will be in the teens and even single digits for actual air temperatures. Over the weekend, we could have a few flurries on Saturday and perhaps a few snow showers on Sunday. It doesn't really look like this system gets its act together. The next one to watch, though, maybe on Tuesday. So a ways out there, though, and the computer models have been developing these storms in the 7 to 10 day time frame, and then they weaken as we get closer to it. So we'll just have to see how that pans out. For tomorrow, lots of clouds during the day, a rising chance for showers at night, but most of those are in the form of rain, except if you're up in the mountains. Rain and snow showers on Thursday, with the snow being up north, and it's windy and cold for Friday. Not as cold over the weekend, and then the cold will come back next week. We'll have to see if Tuesday does come together, since the cold will be around.
Yeah, that'll be interesting.
That's when we can guarantee those potholes.
That is true. Enjoy
the
the
temperature
thaw while
swings
it's still
back
here.
down, right?
Yeah, because they're going back.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.